Vinny's virtual car shopping adventure. In the heart of suburban America, a man named Vinny sat on his porch, basking in the warm summer sun. Unlike most people who would be scrolling through social media or watching TV, Vinny was engaged in a rather unusual activity. He was using Gemini Live to shop for a car. Vinny, a tech-savvy individual with a penchant for convenience, had heard about Gemini's capabilities and decided to give it a try. He started by asking Gemini about the most reliable cars on the market. The AI quickly provided him with a list of top-rated vehicles, complete with their safety features, fuel efficiency, and maintenance requirements. As Vinny delved deeper into his car shopping journey, he asked Gemini to help him find the best deals on his shortlisted models. The AI searched through countless dealerships and online marketplaces, presenting him with a variety of options that fit his budget and preferences. One day, while discussing the pros and cons of a particular car model, Vinny couldn't help but share a funny story about his uncle Tony, who once bought a car that was so unreliable it broke down more often than it ran. As Vinny chuckled, Gemini listened attentively and even offered a few suggestions on how to avoid similar pitfalls. After months of virtual car shopping, Vinny finally settled on a car that met all his needs. With Gemini's help, he negotiated a great deal with the dealership and even learned how to properly care for his new vehicle. As Vinny drove away from the dealership in his shiny new car, he couldn't help but feel grateful for the technology that had made his car shopping experience so effortless and enjoyable. He knew that without Gemini, he would have spent countless hours researching cars and visiting dealerships, all of which would have been a major hassle. As Vinny drove home, he couldn't resist sharing his car shopping adventure with his friends and family. He told them about Gemini's incredible capabilities and how it had helped him find the perfect car. His friends were amazed and couldn't believe how much time and effort Vinny had saved. As Vinny sat in his driveway, admiring his new car, he couldn't help but think about how much the world had changed. Just a few years ago, the idea of shopping for a car online would have seemed impossible. But now, thanks to AI and technology like Gemini, it was as easy as sitting on your porch and asking a virtual assistant for help. And so, Vinny's virtual car shopping adventure came to a successful conclusion. He had not only found the perfect car but had also had a lot of fun in the process. As he sat back and relaxed, he couldn't help but smile. After all, who knew that shopping for a car could be so entertaining? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. And remember, with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones, anything is possible. God bless to you and yours.